What's up guys, Sal here. Though nothing has been officially announced, but we can be 99.9% certain that the cult favorite Chinese handset maker OnePlus will have an update of its well-received OnePlus 5 coming later this year. Rumored to be named the OnePlus 5T, the handset is likely going to fix one of the OnePlus 5's biggest flaws, one that even its founders admitted was a shortcoming. I'm talking about the OnePlus 5's relatively large bezels. In a render shared by Blass, the 5T is all but assured to follow the trend pioneered by LG and Samsung in going for a longer 18:9 aspect ratio with drastically slimmer forehead and chin. It's fair to give LG and Samsung co-credit for pioneering this new 18:9 standard that everyone is now using. But LG technically beat Samsung to the market by a few weeks, meaning they're literally the first to do this thing that everyone else is doing. We recently saw this hands-on image which everyone was claiming to be of the OnePlus 5T, but actually it's not. It's a photoshopped Vivo X20 with the OnePlus wallpaper on top. Now, another photo alleged to be that of the OnePlus 5T has appeared online, but I still cannot verify if this one is real or fake. The front view indeed reveals a full screen design with a high screen to body ratio, and it's a major design attribute that the device is expected to pack. So yeah, let me know if you think whether or not this one's real. OnePlus's founder and CEO Carl Pei is busy tweeting images that are more than likely taken on the OnePlus 5T. The last image we saw from him was a low light shot that produced stunning detail, and now we've been given a fantastic preview of the phone's portrait mode. We'll have to wait for a full review of the OnePlus 5T to discover just how good the portrait mode is in a variety of situations, as we have had mixed results from other competing devices. This image taken on the OnePlus 5T though is certainly a great advert for its expected dual 20 megapixel lenses, a bump up from the 16 megapixel lenses on the OnePlus 5, although full details have yet to be confirmed. So that said, let me know what you think about the OnePlus 5T in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Okay.